Hello there. In this video I'm just doing a little update on the tyres that I've had replaced on the Q4 E-Tron. If you watched my recent videos you'll have seen that I was concerned about the tyre wear on the car, and the original Bridgestones were looking pretty ropey after 13,000 miles. So it came on Bridgestone Turanza Ecos tyres, and at 13,000 miles the rear tyres were down to 1.6mm, down to the wear markers, and the fronts were looking pretty shady on the edges, but they still had a couple of millimetres across the centres. I popped into my local Kwikfit garage last weekend to get them to verify that it needed done, and as the car's a salary sacrifice car, I had to go through fleet services with Kwikfit to get the tyres fitted. So they verified that the rear tyres were down to the limit, and they tried to order me a set of like-for-like tyres, but they couldn't find Bridgestones anywhere for the rear of the car. So they ordered in a set of Pirellis, which took a couple of days to arrive. The issue being that these tyres have got the seal inside system, so you can't just whack any tyre on it. So 13,401 miles. Took it back, start of the week, to Kwikfit, and my local Kwikfit. There's a bit of debate when we arrived about whether or not they should fit them or whether they should keep looking for the Bridgestones. They phoned around, they could not find Bridgestones anywhere. They could find fronts but not rears. So eventually they went ahead, fitted the Pirellis on the rear, and ordered me a set of matching Pirellis for the front, which would take another couple of days to arrive. So, rear tyres, now Pirelli Scorpion Elect with the seal inside. And they double checked the fronts, decided they were worn enough on the edge that they needed replaced anyway, particularly on the passenger side. Fast forward a couple of days and we're at 13,501 miles now, and this afternoon back to Kwikfit to get the fronts replaced. So matching Pirellis, the Scorpion Elect tyres, and again they've got that seal inside stuff going on. So hopefully these will last a bit better than the Bridgestones did. I'm hoping for more than 13,000 miles out of these. I thought I'd double check what the tread is from new. So I always thought tyres came with about 8mm of tread, but apparently not anymore. These came with 6mm from new. I was hoping to do a noise comparison with the tyres, so I borrowed a sound meter just before I got the first set replaced, and it's rained ever since. So everywhere I drive, all you can actually hear is the rain, and the sound meter just picks up on that. So at 70 miles an hour, it records 72 decibels, which mostly appears to be the rain battering off the windscreen. Once it dries up a bit, I'll give you a kind of subjective comparison if I think these are any quieter, or if I feel the grip's any different or anything like that. In the meantime, that's all I've got for you in this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next time.